Nayo thirikari ni ikite ngwataniro na agwati mbaru bangi ba witikanĩria na kinya kwathura kamiti ya mwanya iria igategeera mantu jegie utumiri bwa mbeca iria ciejanagwa ni endi wega kiri thirikari. Kamiti iji NKURUKI igategeera uria nthiguru ya Kenya yumba kuthithia gutigira ni kumbana kiri mogaruruku RIERA. Akiaria munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua augite iji niyo njira imwe iria igatigirira thirikari ni kumbana. Thirikari igwatanirite na agwati mbaru bawiti na mbere kiri kigomano kia Development Partnership Forum ni betikaniritie kugita kamiti ya kurikithia kigina kuma kiri endi wega ni gikugairwa kiri mibango mwanya mwanya nthigurune. Haria munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua oritie task force ije igite ngugi yayo na mpui.
And I want to say that the task force that will be put in place should proceed with speed so that the issues that needs to be addressed are addressed, so that we can be able to have better absorption rates for our funds that have been expended in this great country. Again, on the mechanism to build resilience so that we can be better prepared to deal with the negative effects of climate change and other challenges that come across the way all the time. Let me encourage continuous engagement with our partners. The Ruto administration has identified continuous engagement as our modus operandi, and so far it has worked very well for us.
NKURUKI norite ndwangire kugwata mbaru thirikari ya Kenya kwanza gutigira ne bakuritaniria ngugi amwe.
I urge our development partners to support the government's efforts to consolidate information on all the support provided to Kenya, whether on or off budget. This will enhance efficient, fair allocation and distribution of resources across the various sectors. I therefore urge all stakeholders to approach this discussion with a spirit of cooperation and a shared commitment to finding a lasting solution and filing of affirmative reports back to our respective governments.
Nongerete bagatethaniria kiri kurwana na maumira ja ugaruruku bwa RIERA na mathina jaria ja kurumira nthiguru.
Turning our attention to resilience, Kenya continues to face diverse shocks and stresses. They range from droughts, floods, accidents, pandemics, to economic shocks. Climate change-related shocks have been in particular severe, with the country oscillating between extreme droughts and devastating floods. Recently, we experienced a season of floods that resulted in the loss of over 200 lives, close to 10,000 livestock, displacement of nearly 60,000 households, and widespread destruction of other forms of livelihoods and infrastructure. While the floods have not fully ceased, there has been some reprieve in most parts of the country. We are immensely grateful for the emergency support provided by our development partners, private sector, civil societies, and well-wishers. As we embark on today's discussions, our shared goal is to improve lives of the Kenyan people. Our collaboration, coordination, and commitment are essential to achieving this goal. I'm confident that with your continued support and active participation, we can overcome the challenges we face and build a more resilient and prosperous Kenyan together.